Nature's call to presence. A cue to arrive. The start of the day, the start of the round. Ripples of human energy.
This is game number 20.
Distraction lives here. Let them come, let them pass.
On the tee, from Northern Ireland, Roy.
Stay grounded in your internal rhythm. Breathe. Release. The hum of life in the distance. You are foreground. The wind, nature's gift or invisible opponent. Whispers of disappointment, fleeting. Your game, eternal. The final hole, a test. Fine focus, inner quiet, sounds of mastery and trusted tools. The sound of success and the joy to begin again.